I am Trapti Parekh, working as a legal intern in Laxis and Company. The Karnataka High Court dismissed writ petition of Amazon and Flipkart against CCI Pro. Actually, it's all start about 18 months ago when the Delhi Vyapar Mahasangh, a group representing small and medium business owner in the national capital, submitted a plea with CCI against the country's two biggest e-commerce players, Amazon and Flipkart, accusing of anti-competitive practice, predatory pricing, and preferential treatment of seller, among others. CCI can go ahead with a probe against Amazon and Flipkart for the allegation anti-competitive practice. The Karnataka High Court said on June 11 a judgment that will have a bring on India's expanding e-commerce space. The court also dismissed the plea of Flipkart senior counsel of 2-week extension of interim order. The order was pronounced by Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar. Amazon and Flipkart have now two options to either go to the two-judge bench in the High Court or to the Supreme Court. In October 2019, the DVM has alleged that Amazon and Flipkart were giving preferential treatment to a select set of vendors by having indirect control on their operation, especially the launch of smartphone. Press Note 2, which governs the rule for e-commerce companies in India, says that it also raised the issue of exclusive smartphone launches on these platforms in the violation of Indian rules for marketplaces. Marketplaces read e-commerce player cannot mandate seller to sell any product exclusively on their platform. A marketplace cannot exercise ownership and control over the inventory supported to be sold on his platform. Now, DVM has filed the complaint under Section 3 and Section 4 of the Competition Act. The CCI has passed an order in January 2020 based on the information submitted by DVM under Section 3, directing the Director General to conduct a probe. This order was challenged by Amazon through a writ petition in the Karnataka High Court in February 2020. The High Court put the CCI's investigation hold on the same month. BC Bhartiya, National President, and Praveen Khandelwal, Secretary General of the Confederation of All India Traders, said that it fully vindicates the stand of CAIT that Amazon and Flipkart business model is entirely based on violating the FDI policy, which rules and other laws are therefore without wasting any more time. The CCI should immediately bring it probe. CAIT also said that foreign companies, particularly in the e-commerce sector, have been taking India as a banana republic where the laws, policies, and the rule have no sanctity, and they have been provided with impunity to manipulate them according to their wish. Unfortunately, they have seen successfully violating the law and the policies, bringing much disadvantages to the small traders of the country. Therefore, the action speaks louder than the word. Need to be put into practical operation by the union government. In September 2020, the CCA challenged the interim order in the Supreme Court. Justice Nageshwar Rao sent the case back to the High Court, saying that the case has been heard soon as possible in the order 2020. Since then, the case had been going on in the High Court, questioning the discount offered on the marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart. In one of its arguments, CCI had said that when a big player enters a space, it's offered discount to capture the market. People should be alert once the prices go abnormally low. While the company takes the hit for the some time, the larger agenda always is to weed out smaller players. The previous court session, Amazon and Flipkart has categorically denied any wrongdoing. Amazon had said that the allegation that it had preferred seller were completely incorrect, adding that there was no direct relation between Amazon and any seller. So, thank you for watching my video.